Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my August 2021 IPSY Glam Bag X. I am so excited about this. The IPSY Glam Bag X is only a quarterly upgrade, so it's $50 and I only get it 4 times a year, so I'm extra excited to get it. And it's supposed to be great value. This month's collaborator was Halsey, which is really fun. And I am so excited to see everything I got in this box. My previous Glam Bag X, I think I had 2 previous ones, the Patrick Ta and the Khloe Kardashian ones. I really liked those. So I hope I'm gonna love this one as well. We're gonna go ahead and see all of the products that I got in here. Here is how it's looking. I really love getting product information, and what I really like about this Glam Bag X is that you get great product information. So it's like a whole newspaper here, and I think it has product information on, every product that could be an option in the box. So this is really similar to how FabFitFun does their product information. Very cute. I am so excited to get into this, and the product I see right on top, I'm really excited about. I remember choosing this product and I wasn't sure if it was something that I would actually like, but I'm like, you know what? We're just gonna try it. These are the Glamnetic X IPSY reusable press-on nails. So I don't paint my nails, but I love like what I have on here, the nail stickers. And so I figured some press-on nails, like some good quality ones, might be something that I love and could really up my nail game. So these look so cute. They are the Lilac Sky version. So kind of like a French manicure, but with a light lilac tip. Oh, I'm getting a little sneak peek at some of the products in the product information right here. And I really hope I get some of these in my box. Oh, my goodness. I feel like there are just those cult favorite products that you can get in IPSY X for such a great deal. And by the way, this month I do not get my Glam Bag Plus because I upgraded to the Glam Bag X. So I've already unboxed on my channel the regular IPSY Glam Bag, my BoxyCharm Premium box, and I'm just waiting on the BoxyCharm Base box. And of course, I'm doing my full dedicated review videos on the makeup products I get in my boxes this month. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you like that type of content, unboxings, makeup reviews. But so the Glamnetic X IPSY reusable press-on nails have a retail value of $21.99. I mean, that's pretty much the price of a manicure. All right, next up, a product from Glow Recipe, which I love, the skincare brand Glow Recipe. This is the Watermelon Glow Hyaluronic Clay Pore Tight Facial, pore refining and exfoliating, non-drying clay. Well, I am always talking about how large pores are one of my main skin concerns. So this sounds like a perfect product for me. My box seems like it's been open, so let's see how my product looks. I mean, it's not sealed. Hopefully it's okay. Ooh, it smells so good. It smells like watermelon. I definitely need to get back into doing masks more often, and this is going to be one that I'm going to try right away. I really think it's going to be so beneficial for my skin. And wow, the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Hyaluronic Clay Pore Tight Facial retails for $40. So that is a pricey mask in my opinion. Next up, we've got a product from the brand About Face. This is the Light Lock Highlight Fluid. And the packaging on the About Face products is really cool. But so I want to just look at this. This is beautiful. I think this is in the shade Fight or Flight. With the dropper. Oh my gosh, I love highlighter. I love liquid highlighter, so I'm very excited to try this out. And this packaging is just beautiful. I love it. I love pink, purple, sparkly, shiny, so This is very much my taste. And of course, About Face is Halsey's makeup line, so of course we're going to get some About Face products in the box, and it's a great way for her to help promote that makeup line, I'm sure. But so the About Face Light Lock Highlight Fluid in Fight or Flight retails for $32. I think that is pretty pricey for a liquid highlighter. All right, next up I have, from the brand Herbivore, Emerald Hemp Seed plus Adaptogens Deep Moisture Glow Oil. All right, I'm not familiar with this brand. I feel like this is going to be a pricey product, just by the looks of it. Oh, very nice. I mean, I love the sound of a Deep Moisture Glow Oil. Of course, I do prefer to get makeup products over skincare products, but it does sound like something I would love to put on my skin. So let's see, the retail value of the Herbivore Botanicals Emerald Deep Moisture Glow Oil is $48. Yes, pricey. Not a product I would ever spend $48 on for myself, so I love that I'm getting to try it out for such a great deal. Next up, I see what I think is a palette in beautiful packaging. Yes, this is the Aether Beauty Moonlight Crystal Palette. I have been wanting to try out Aether Beauty products. I listen to a beauty podcast called Natch Beaut that I love, and the founder of Aether Beauty has been on that podcast, and it just sounds like such an amazing company and beautiful products. Like, even the packaging is incredible. Let's see how it looks. Gorgeous. I love the colors. Love the layout. I am so excited to play around with this. It's definitely going to be a fun, colorful look I put together because I don't see any of those like neutral types of shades that are my go-to daytime shades, but I'm sure this is still going to be really fun to play with. And so the Aether Beauty Moonlight Crystal Palette retails for $58. So like I was saying, a company that I had been wanting to try products from for years now, but it's expensive. So I hadn't actually gotten around to purchasing any, but I love that I'm getting this in IPSY. It's such a great brand to see. Ooh, another great brand to see is Fenty Beauty. I love getting Fenty in my IPSY and BoxyCharm boxes, and I love the Fenty products that I've gotten to try out so far. And actually, I have tried this one out. It's the Full Frontal Volume Lift and Curl Mascara. I love this mascara, but I already have a full dedicated review video on it up on my YouTube channel that I will have linked in the description down below. But I am so happy to have another one of these. I already used up the one that I had before, so this is great to get. The Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Volume Lift and Curl Mascara in the shade 'Cause I'm Black retails for $24. I feel like there are so many products in here. I have a lot more left, so maybe some of these products I redeemed points for. All right, let's grab this one here. This is from the brand Prose Hair Perfume. I think I remember choosing this because I was like, this sounds interesting. I don't have a hair perfume. I'm a little unsure on how it's different than a regular perfume because I just spray regular perfume into my hair, but I figured this would be good to try. And the brand Prose is not a brand I'm familiar with, but so I got this in the scent Corsica. Let's test it out. Ooh, all right. I'm just very interested in what this is going to smell like. Ooh. That smells really nice. It smells like expensive, tropical, floral, fruity, very nice. Definitely a scent that I'm going to be wearing in my hair. That smells lovely. I wonder what the retail value is on this. So the Prose Hair Perfume in Corsica retails for $25. Pretty pricey. So I should have one more product in here that is from my glam bag, but then I still will have 3 other products that I must have redeemed IPSY points for. So, oh my gosh, this is, like I was saying before, a cult favorite product that I've been wanting to try, but I had not tried before, that I am so excited to see in IPSY X. This is from Charlotte Tilbury, which I have not tried out any Charlotte Tilbury products yet. And I have been doing my trying a new makeup product every day series here on YouTube for years. And when I think of Charlotte Tilbury, I think of Pillow Talk. And this here is the Pillow Talk Lip Cheat Reshape and Resize Lip Liner. And it's in the shade Pillow Talk 2 Medium. I have been wanting to try out the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip products for years, and I am finally going to get to try it out. And I love lip liners, so I am just so excited about this. This might be the product that I am most excited that I got in my IPSY Glam Bag X, because it's just something that I have heard so much about, and I feel like I'm like the last person to try this, but it is finally time for me. But okay, I still have 3 products left. So what I have here is from the brand M2U NYC. Actually, you know what? I forgot to tell you the retail value of the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Lip Liner, which is $22. And so the next 3 products I redeemed IPSY points for, which you can earn IPSY points by reviewing your products and your glam bags each month, and anyone who gets an IPSY subscription gets a referral link, which I always have in the description down below if you're interested in signing up. But so I redeemed points to get these free products, and this one here is from the brand, like I said, M2U NYC Matte Liquid Lip in the shade Soho. Looks like such a pretty shade, and I love trying out lip products. And then I also got from the brand Beauty for Real the 24/7 gel eyeliner in the shade Olive. I was interested in the fact that this is a green olive shade because that's a little different. I have green eyes, and I figured this would be pretty and fun to try. And my final product in here is from Florence by Mills, which is Millie Bobby Brown's makeup line. And this is the Tint and Tame Brow Gel in the shade Clear. And I just love trying out brow gels and brow products, so I'm always on the search for a good clear brow gel, so I figured this would be a good product to redeem my points for as well. And wow, that is a lot of products that I just unboxed, and I am very excited about these. I would have liked to see a little bit more makeup in my IPSY Glam Bag X, but the products that I got are still awesome, and I am still really excited to try them. So let me do a recap, and I'll let you know my total retail value. So I got the Pros Hair Perfume, the Glamnetic X IPSY Press-On Nails, the Glow Recipe Hyaluronic Clay Pore Tight Facial, the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Lip Cheat Lip Liner, the Fenty Beauty Mascara, the Herbivore Emerald Glow Oil, the About Face Light Lock Highlight Fluid, the Aether Beauty Moonlight Crystal Palette, and then those were all my IPSY Glam Bag X products, and then my points products were the M2U NYC Matte Liquid Lip, the Beauty for Real eyeliner, and the Florence by Mills Brow Gel. So not counting those last 3 points products, my total retail value comes out to $270.99, which is amazing value considering I paid $50 for this box, and I got some products that I have been wanting to try out for so long, and I am so excited to use all of these products, which, by the way, if you have tried out any of these, please let me know your thoughts on them in the comments down below, because that just really helps me out. It makes me more excited about my products. And I'd also love to hear in the comments down below what you got in your August 2021 IPSY Glam Bag X. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.